If you've been following the Andrew Tate saga for the past few years, you know it's had more twists than a soap opera. But this weekend added a huge new chapter, and it happened right here in the United States. On Saturday, July 18th, 2026, controversial influencer Andrew Tate and his brother Tristan were arrested by the U.S. Marshals Service in Miami. This wasn't a local police matter. It was tied to an international extradition request from the United Kingdom. According to a Department of Justice spokesperson, the brothers were taken into custody, pursuant to extradition proceedings, carried out in accordance with the treaties and law enforcement agreements governing Justice Department extraditions. The warrant itself was sealed, so details weren't immediately public when the arrests happened. This is where it gets serious. The UK's Crown Prosecution Service announced a fresh wave of charges tied to alleged sexual offences against multiple women in the east of England, allegedly occurring between 2010 and 2017. Andrew Tate is now facing 42 charges in the UK, including counts of R-word, human trafficking for sexual exploitation, indecent images of a child, and assault. Tristan Tate faces 17 charges, including sexual assault, R-word, and trafficking-related offenses. Bedfordshire police said their major crime unit had been working alongside the CPS and international law enforcement throughout what they called a complex, long-running investigation. Both brothers are expected to appear in federal court in Miami in the coming days as the extradition process moves forward. This isn't a conviction. It's the start of a legal process that will determine whether they're sent back to the UK to face trial. Their attorney, Joseph McBride, pushed back hard, calling the new UK charges filth and slander, designed to derail defamation lawsuits the brothers have filed in the US. He argued the extradition effort was politically motivated, saying the goal was to remove the brothers from American soil before an American jury exposes the truth to the entire world. McBride said he hadn't been able to speak with his clients yet, but insisted they'd ultimately be vindicated once a judge reviewed the facts. This is far from the first time the Tate brothers have faced serious allegations. Back in 2022, they were arrested in Romania on human trafficking and R-word charges by anti-terrorism authorities. They were formally charged in 2023, though Andrew has consistently denied any wrongdoing. At one point telling reporters, "We've been completely innocent since the beginning." More recently, a Romanian court lifted preventative judicial control measures on the brothers, while that investigation continued, though the case itself hasn't been resolved. Andrew Tate first became a public figure back in 2016 as a contestant on the UK's Big Brother, before being removed from the show after a video surfaced showing him hitting a woman with a belt, something both he and the woman later described as consensual. Since then, he's built a massive, polarizing online following centered on wealth, hypermasculinity, and controversial views on women. Whatever side of the debate you're on when it comes to Andrew Tate's online persona, this latest development is a serious legal matter, not internet drama. We'll be following this story as it develops. The brothers' court appearance in Florida is expected within the week.